Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for joining me again. I will be putting the colors that I'm using in the bottom left, at least for the first tile, and that's basically going to be my the order of the colors I'll be using. And then, if you don't know already, if you're new or you haven't seen it, after I do my puddles, I like to just drizzle the colors that I'm using all around, and yeah, it's dealer choice at that point. So. Um, with this, I know I told you I was going to bring it down for a closer look whenever I blow out the cell activator. Sorry, I kind of forgot to do that, but I did remember halfway through this and I got you covered. So, I will do that later on in the video. With this one, I will bring you down for a closer look after I blow out the cell activator, just so where, you can kind of get that, I don't know, just kind of see what it looks like close up before I spin it out. My cell activators tonight are black and white. I'm still enjoying the two cell activator look. So yeah, it's Amsterdam Oxide Black and Titanium White. Both of those are Amsterdam brands. Here's your close up of this one after I blew out the cell activator. The center hasn't come together yet, but honestly, that's what I was going for, so I'm happy with that. I'd seen this, I don't know, color scheme kind of sort of through a couple of posts on Facebook and here and there, and I wanted to give it my spin on it, only because I don't have all the colors that they were using. So yeah, you've been there, right? Here's your close-up of it. I mean, I'm happy with it, so we're gonna keep rolling. I'm gonna put on some music and then I will come back later. Alright, so I'm back. Hope you enjoyed the close-up blowout of the cell activator on the previous one. I'm about to get you down for another close-up of blowing out the cell activator. I mean, honestly, it's my favorite part. But again, let's be honest. I just want to let you know, if you are having a hard time with this, this is extremely, I mean, not extremely, but it is more than a recipe guide to follow. It's so much more than that, because the weather plays a part in it, humidity plays a part in it. I mean, anything weather related has a role to play. I can make my paints real thin. A couple hours later, due to the fact of where I live, they're going to be thick again. So, and you kind of got to, I don't know, you got to tweak it to where you live. I mean, it sounds weird saying that, but honestly, that is the truth. But back to this one, I mean, I actually like this one probably the best. But yeah, I just want to let y'all know that, because I know I've been there. I was frustrated with it at the beginning, so yeah, I had to conquer all the weather situations. So yeah, just don't get discouraged. Keep trying. Figure out what works for you in your environment. So I'm going to go ahead and bring you up here, and we're going to spin this one out, and then I'll get you down for a close-up for all of them, and hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Yeah, this one is going to be my favorite. I wish I could get that corner stretched out a little bit farther, but I'm not going to be able to do that. So here's a close-up. If you could, if you haven't already, please subscribe. It helps my channel out. And if you did like the video, again, hit the thumbs up. I appreciate it. Anyway, thanks for watching and hanging out. I hope you all have a good one. Take care.